Hello friends, I am here with a layout using cardstock from my stash and a picture, a very old picture of Hoss, our Old English Bulldog, when he had a cherry eye. A cherry eye, if you don't know, is when the dogs have a third tear duct, and sometimes they clog or get dirty, or for whatever reason they come onto the outside. They prolapse. And so his did, and they put it in. They can sew it back in, and we had that done several times, and it would just prolapse again. So it was just on the outside, and it stayed that way for a while, and then we eventually had it cut out. So now um, which bulldogs are prone to dry eye anyway, so either way, we were going to have to put drops in his eye. So we have to put teardrops. So I'm going to put ink on everything. I think that's black. And Patton is back again for his TV preview. And he's going to show you he does give himself baths. See, I clean myself. I can be in a kitty commercial. Anyway, so I don't know what his deal is. Crazy cats. Eventually he moves. I figured, well, I'm just inking, so I'll let him have his moment to shine here. Oh gosh. Of all times. Patton. So I think he gets playful. Oh, I'm going to remove him now. And he's back. I move him, he comes back. So anyway, the alphabet pattern is Good Vibes Girls Night from the March kit. That polka dot pattern is Hip Kit Club Fiesta Vibes called Blue Polka. And I'm going to use a piece of that same paper. Oh, maybe not. This I use a branding strip. Alright. Yeah, I do use that strip. Okay, I thought I did. And those circles were cut using a stencil. And they are cut from Pink Paisley Pick Me Up 22. And on the opposite side are like sailboats, but I really didn't have a use for the sailboats. And then this is, those smaller circles are cut using a 1-inch punch, circle punch. Okay. So, let's see. So now I'm putting down die cuts. And they are those are epoxies, and those are Pink Fresh Studio. I am using some chipboard stickers, which are American Crafts Pick Me Up. thickers. And then I'm going to use some puppy heart stickers as well towards the end. That's the last thing I do after my title. In those, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you that they are Pink Fresh Studio as well as the puppy stickers. Because that's a puppy sticker there that you see me using. Here is my title. The My is Amy Tangerine Memento Thickers. Cherry is American Crafts Rose Thickers. And that cherry came in, oh my gosh, that came in. I remember that one coming with the Valentine's. So I think January kit. And then I is Dear Lizzie Desktop Thickers. And then here's the Puffy Heart stickers. And then that completes my layout once I get the heart stickers down and my title down. And yeah, that pretty much ends it. So if you want, you can subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to gain some subscribers so I can remonetize my videos, because of course they changed their policy on that, and which booted me out, and I use that to kind of help fund my classroom. So if you could help me out, so when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.